Patric character is someone who is into ladies and is more or less of an opportunist. He uses his position at the hospital to what? To lure girls into his space.
Good morning, Dr. Patric.
Good morning.
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Pretty.
So, when I met the director for this particular movie, he immediately saw the character in me. And he was like, you know what, I want you to take this role. And yeah, I took the role. And I think I wouldn't want to praise myself in this, but from what I've heard, everyone was impressed with what I was doing. They were happy because I was living my life in the movie. That's why it wasn't so difficult, or it isn't so difficult for me to be portraying the character of Dr. Patric. Episode 2 might be one of the best episodes. It has got scenes that are going to shake the streets.